MyFitnessPal is being sold by Under Armour. So what's that mean for you if you're a regular user? Stay tuned, because in this video, I'm going to be covering just that. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Kevin and I'm a certified personal trainer and nutrition coach. And on my channel, you'll find reviews, tips and tutorials on fitness apps, equipment, and more. So if any of those things interest you, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're the first to know when I post out something new. So why is Under Armour selling MyFitnessPal? Under Armour owns popular fitness apps such as MapMyRun, MyFitnessPal, and Endomondo. They recently announced plans to pivot their attention to what they're calling the focused performer. And basically what that means is that they want to devote more of their time and resources to semi-professional and professional athletes. And that's understandable because of all the competition for entry-level fitness consumers. There's huge competition from Apple with its Apple Watch, Apple Health, and soon Apple Fitness Plus. There's the Peloton, the Mirror, and so much more in this market. So it makes sense for them to narrow their target audience. In addition to selling MyFitnessPal, Under Armour is getting rid of its fitness app, Endomondo. And if you're a user of that and want to know what it means for you, go ahead and check out this video right over here. Anyways, with MyFitnessPal, they're selling the app to an investment firm called Francisco Partners for $345 million. This firm specializes in investments in technology and technology-based businesses. So they're looking to grow MyFitnessPal into something bigger. Under Armour states that with Francisco Partners, MyFitnessPal will have more innovative and personalized features that will help its users better achieve their fitness goals. So what's that mean for you? Nothing right now. The app will still be active and you can continue to use it to track your food, calories, water, etc. And it should still integrate with other apps seamlessly. Something else you can expect is that your login credentials will be the same and you'll still be able to log into Under Armour apps like MapMyRun using the same account. Soon, however, new features are going to be added to the platform. They mentioned a focus on a tool called MealScan, which they identify as artificial intelligence-driven food recognition technology. And I think that's similar to a feature that its competitor Lose It has. Basically, you'll use your phone's camera to scan a food item, and the app, using artificial intelligence, will try to guess what it is, and also its caloric and nutritional value. And if you're unfamiliar with the Lose It app, you can check out my review right over here. They also mentioned new meal plans, workout routines, and recipes, which is actually a feature that's currently available right now. But at the time of this video, the transaction hasn't been finalized. So it's not clear if they're already pumping out new content or they're waiting to update it later. Your data will continue to be stored by MyFitnessPal itself, but not under Under Armour. However, if you've opted into things like Under Armour's email lists, you'll still receive their content. But you can always unsubscribe if it's of no value to you. So that's everything you need to know about the changes that are coming to MyFitnessPal once it's sold. If you're looking for other fitness apps to use, go ahead and check out my channel and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.